I'm recording this video to explain you how you can hire me on a fixed price project or a weekly retainer. So this is my profile. You can simply click on my username and hit the hire button from here. Now since I'm using my profile, I won't be able to hire myself. So let me take for instance another profile. So here we go for discovering the talent. And I'm taking this profile as an example. So when you click the hire button, you will get this screen. Firstly, you will have to write the contract title. For example, you're hiring me for a social media marketing contract. So you can simply mention your title here. Moving forward, you'll see two options here, pay by the hour and pay a fixed price. Let's choose pay a fixed price first. So under this, you will have to mention the fixed price for your budget, for your project. So for instance, it is 500. So here you can create milestones dividing this 500 amount into the milestones you want to. So for example, let's create the first milestone for content creation. You can mention the due date here and the amount here. So we are breaking the entire budget into 3 different milestones. We will add another milestone here. For example, we will take video editing in the second milestone. We'll add the due date here and mention the amount for it here. Now 400, we have decided the milestone for the 400. Now let's add another milestone for the another $100. So these are just examples. The milestone descriptions will be totally dependent on you, how you want to break down your project. So setting up the due date again and mentioning the balance amount here. So here you have mentioned the 3 milestones, and you can write the description here, the work description, attach any file that if you would like to, and click the yes I understand and agree to Upwork terms of service button and continue from here. So this is the first thing that you can do for a pay a fixed price option. Second, let's go for the pay by the hour option. Here you can edit the hourly rate. So for example, my hourly rate is $7 per hour. So you can just mention it here. Then here you don't have to set a weekly limit. You just have to set the weekly price. So for 40 hours a week is okay if you would like to go for. Starting with today's date, if we say, you can mention the work description here. You need to click here on add automatic weekly payments for the freelancer. When you click on this drop down menu and mention the amount for the week here, so you will be setting up the weekly retainer for me. For example, you have to hire me for 40 hours a week and my hourly rate is $7 per hour. So you can simply mention $280 for the entire week. So this way you will bill me $280 a weekly retainer price for my services for 40 hours a week, and you can continue from here. So that is all that you need to do.